Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and today we're going to talk about the myth of leaving the insulation in place between the joists. Is it a myth or not? Stay tuned. Okay, so just to be clear, we get a lot of homeowners that tell us that the crawl space contractor that was there 3 days ago looking at their crawl space says they're going to leave all of that fiberglass or rock wool insulation up between the floor joists whenever they address the mold. We think that is a big no-no, because how in the world do you know if there's any mold back there, or how can your mold treatment get behind the insulation in order to properly disinfect it? So what we do is we take all the insulation out, all of it. We get rid of all the insulation in order to address the mold, okay? That is the best way to handle it. So somebody that tells you that they're going to leave their insulation in place to address mold, they're only really addressing that much. The part of the wood that's sticking out from underneath the insulation is all they're addressing. So my name is Michael Church, and we call that a myth. We don't want to leave the insulation in place when addressing mold, and if your contractor has, you might want to get another opinion. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.